A special screening of the 90s blockbuster Ram Lakhan was organized for the labourers of the DRP labour camp to give them a break from their busy routines. But the cherry on the cake was when Lakhan himself decided to show up. Yes, Anil Kapoor was specially flown down to surprise the labourers just before the screening of the movie. He spoke like an old friend, danced and sang, and the entire excitement of the labourers has been caught on camera exclusively by the team of Zee Connect. Let's take you to DIP Labour Camp to share this wonderful initiative by Emirates and BD.
Anil Kapoor!
Welcome to Dubai. जब आपको पहली बार ये इनिशिएटिव के बारे में पता चला बॉलीवुड एंड बील्स, what was your reaction?
मैं कूद पड़ा मैंने बोला चलो फ्लाइट पकड़ो आ जाओ
I'm surprised. I mean, आपके busy schedule, so you've just landed now, and this is the only thing you're here for right now. Is that true?
बिल्कुल एब्सोल्युटली
Of course, you know हम ये लोग आपको पर्दे पर देखते हैं, but today their reaction. What are you expecting? What do you feel?
मैं बहुत खुश हूँ मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ और जितने वो एक्साइटेड उससे ज़्यादा मैं एक्साइटेड हूँ उनसे मिलने के लिए
What made you want to do this? आपने इनका पहला वीडियो देखा, which they did last year?
नो मैंने वीडियो नहीं देखा मैंने बस इसके बारे में सुना था जैसे मैंने इसके बारे में सुना था मैंने कहा कि ज़रूर मैं आऊँगा
Ram Lakhan, it's been years since that was shot. Do you have any fond memories about the step that has become so iconic now?
नो दिस इज़ वेल दिस केम एज अ सरप्राइज टू मी मुझे नहीं पता था कि इन लोग राम लखन दिखा रहे हैं मैं क्या करता हूँ कि जो चीज़ें मैं करता हूँ उसको भूल जाता हूँ देखता हूँ कुछ याद है तो मैं ये फिर दोहराने की कोशिश करूँगा
You know, as artists, आज हमें देखने मिलेगा, and I've seen some of these, the kind of impact you actually have on these lives. This is one of the days where they relax and chill, and you are such a big part of it.
एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी यू नो देखो ज़िंदगी में यही है कि बस लोग बोलते हैं ना कि क्या है मतलब व्हाट यू लव द मोस्ट आई जो मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा किससे यू नो क्या चीज़ मुझे पसंद है अगर मैं किसी को खुशी दे सकूँ किसी के चेहरे पर एक मुस्कान ला सकूँ वो मेरे लिए बहुत खुशी की बात है
Well, surely you're going to be spreading a lot of smiles today. And just a last quick one. When do we see you on the big screen this year?
Well, you're going to see me very soon on June 5th. The film's releasing called Dil Dhadakne Do. I'm sure you're going to enjoy the film.
Thank you so much for talking to us.
Namaskar.
Vikram, tell us about this wonderful initiative that you've started, Bollywood on Wheels.
Okay, so Bollywood on Wheels is a community development program that Emirates NBD runs from time to time. So this is our way to get across to the laborers and thank them for the wonderful job that they're doing for the country. So today is a big surprise for them. We've got none other than Anil Kapoor, who is spending his evening here. In fact, he's flown down specially from Malaysia for this program.
In fact, I want to say this as we speak. Anil Kapoor is there up on the stage right now interacting with the laborers. And the moment when he entered was exhilarating. Everyone went crazy. Were you anticipating that reaction and that love?
Well, we were. I think, but they weren't expecting this at all. So, so we had to organize a fair number of security to make sure they don't jump onto him, But I think he's been really, really fabulous. The way he's connecting with the laborers is very special.
I think they did hear a little hint because they saw a limo coming and people being all hushy and they were like, something is fishy here. But this is brilliant. He's really won with them. The jhakas is a hit word right now.
Absolutely. And the brilliant thing is that, he's going down to their level, to their language, and he's connecting with them, thanking them for the contribution that they're making to the country. And that's exactly what we want to do, which is to thank them for all the great work that they're doing. Brick by brick, they've made, Dubai and the UAE what it is. And what better than Anil Kapoor and a pleasant surprise for them one evening.
अनिल कपूर आने वाले मैं बहुत अच्छा फीलिंग किया उस वक्त कि बॉलीवुड सितार इस धरती पर दुबई की धरती पर आकर सरजमी को उतरे हैं।
बहुत पब्लिक के साथ उन्होंने बात किया, सवाल किया, डांस किया, गाना गाया, बहुत अच्छा लगा।
हम लोग तो नीचे आया तो बहुत खुश हो गया देख के।
अचानक लेबर लोग मिलना ये बहुत बड़ी बात होती है।